She got that Moesha Brandy, that Lauryn Hill, that Janelle Monáe. It all is real. Expenses include extensions, guessing for that extra protection.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zaria. Today's video is just going to be an updated wash day routine. If you guys saw my last wash day routine, then you probably saw all the comments about the way that I wash my hair. I'm not even gonna lie, at first I was like, dang, why they have to come for me like that? Like, some of y'all was really coming from my neck, okay? But I'm not gonna lie, a few of the comments were really nicely put and very informative, to the point where I was like, you know what, you right. If you follow me and subscribe to my channel, which you guys should subscribe to my channel, you guys would know that I literally never wear my natural hair out. It's just, for a long time, it just wasn't a thing for me. I didn't have anything against my natural hair, but I just always had like frontals, wigs, and like things that was kind of easy. I was also in college, so I feel like that was just kind of what was easy for me. So I literally never wore my natural hair out, ever, okay? So that was definitely a learning experience for me. But after reading your comments and researching my hair type and kind of just seeing what things work and what things don't, I basically came up with this updated wash day routine for my type 4 hair. Shout out to everyone who has type 4 hair. But yeah, I ended up loving this routine, and this is basically how I wash my hair when I wash my own hair. Also, I followed my wash day with a wash and go and then the banding method. I do have videos on how I do those. It hasn't changed, so I will link those below just so you can see how I got my hair to look like this. But anyways, without further ado, if you guys want to see how I have updated my wash day routine, then keep watching. All right, switching to the voiceover. I'm just starting taking my hair tie out. Honestly, my hair, as you can see, it just needs help. It looks absolutely dry and just dehydrated. It just needs this wash day. It's just really embarrassing that I even let it get to this point, but I mean, now it's just time to do damage control pretty much. After I wet my hair, I'm just gonna go in with my Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturized Dry Defense Conditioner. I'm gonna link it below for you guys. Not for nothing, I feel like this step is kind of not that important, only because I'm gonna actually section my hair and add conditioner to each section, so you really don't have to do it right now, but it's up to you. My hair was just super tangled, so I was like, let me just put this in now, you know? And if y'all thought I was playing when I said my hair is so tangled right now, let me just show you, because this is actually insane. Okay, so now I'm gonna start sectioning, and I'm basically just taking small parts of my hair, putting conditioner in them, and finger detangling them. Then once I'm done, I'm gonna twist them up. I have to be honest, you guys, this part takes forever. At least it took forever for me, because my hair was just so tangled, as you saw before. But you can't rush it, because if you rush it, that's when you start to like rip your hair. It's like you're trying to finger detangle so fast that you end up just ripping your hair, and it's just not good. So you really just have to be patient and just go with the flow. I mean, I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys already know you pretty much have to set like a whole day aside to wash your hair anyway, so there should be no reason that you're in a rush. I guess it just gets kind of boring, but something that I do during my wash days is I'll play music, or I'll literally have a show. I think when I was recording this, I was watching Catfish. So yeah, just make sure you have something that's entertaining you. Okay guys, so once we have conditioned and finger detangled and twisted our hair, the hard part is pretty much done. So we're just gonna rinse it out and move on to the next step. Now it's time for shampoo, and I'm gonna be using the Cream of Nature Pure Honey Moisturizing Dry Defense Shampoo. And I'm just gonna put that all over my hair while it's still in the twist. When I tell y'all, this is literally the easiest way to shampoo your hair. Like, I don't know why I wasn't put onto this sooner. But yeah, basically I just shampoo it while it's in the twist, and then I rinse it out, and that's all I have to do when my hair is shampooed. Okay guys, I know I look absolutely crazy, but this is basically what my hair is looking like. It's in all these twists. The sections are pretty big, but that's just how I detangle them. I'm gonna get into the next step, which is just gonna be to deep condition. I'm gonna be using Mielle Organics Deep Conditioner. If you guys watched my last wash day video, you know that I absolutely love this deep conditioner. I just feel like my hair just is so replenished after. Okay, so I put all them in like a ponytail or a bun or whatever you want to call it, just to get them out of the way. I'm gonna untwist my first twist and start my deep conditioning. I'm gonna spray it with some water just to keep the moisture. And then I'm gonna add some of the deep conditioner. Y'all know I use so much of this stuff, and it smells so good. And now I'm just taking my Tangle Teezer brush, and I'm gonna detangle. And I'm detangling it from the ends to the roots. This is what it's looking like once I detangle it. I'm gonna just twist it right back up. And now I'm just gonna repeat the same exact thing on the rest of my hair. Yes, I just love how the curls come out. Look, let me try to get close. Now that I have all the deep conditioner in my hair and it's fully detangled, I'm gonna put the shower cap on and I'm gonna leave the deep conditioner in for 15 minutes. Usually at this point, I'm like on my phone or eating or on my computer. So yeah, I'm gonna wait 15 minutes and then I'll be back. Okay, y'all, it's definitely been more than 15 minutes. It's probably been like 30 minutes, but I'm back in the shower and I'm just gonna take out these twists. After I take out the twist, this is what my hair looks like, and I'm just gonna go ahead and put it under the water in order to get all the deep conditioner out. Definitely found a whole twist that I just didn't even take out. So I'm taking that one out now. Once all the deep conditioner is out, this is what my hair is looking like. I love it, y'all. This is my favorite part of wash day. My hair looks so different than it did when I first started, and it just looks bomb. I'm here for it. Now I'm just doing like a little fake length check. If you guys actually want to see what my hair looks like pressed, I'll link a video below. Anyways, guys, that completes my updated wash day routine. I hope you guys loved it. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.